If your event's content, connections, and journeys aren't personalized to each attendee, company, and sponsor, you're leaving money and deals on the table. The most successful companies go all in with their recommendation engines and utilize AI to deliver the best experience ever to users. Think Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube. People come to these platforms knowing they're going to be served the best possible options. So why wouldn't you do the same with your upcoming event? You have all the information on your event's attendees, industry, areas of interest, and profile information. So you must deliver the best and most personalized experience ever to maximize ROI for your event. This is done through creating attendee taste profiles, then to serve them personalized content playlists, networking journeys, and sponsorships. Allow the greatest impact possible from your event, leaving your attendees on the edge of their seats for what's to come. Thanks so much for watching.